Good morning. I am Paul-François Cattier, board member at Africa Data Center Association. In this short video, I will cover what makes Africa the next growth frontier for data center and how Africa Data Centers Association can help you embrace this opportunity. So, welcome to Africa. Africa is a very large continent, could contain together USA, Europe, India, and China, and counts 54 countries that are on their way to be integrated in a free trade zone called AFTCA by Africa Union. More than two-thirds of African countries have ratified their adhesion already. So with a population of a median age below 20, Africa is the first digital native continent, with more than half of its population being millennium. Africa is home for 1.3 billion people today, forecasted to be 3 billion in 2050, and probably half of the world population at the end of this century. And since 10 years, we are witnessing in Africa a booming usage of smartphones across the continent. Africa is a boiling place for mobile technology. Indeed, Africa is leapfrogging from very basic services to digital mobile services, fintech, insurance tech, health tech, agri-tech, as well as government administration are providing digital mobile services that were not existing before. Looking at the economy, in 2019, out of the 10 best performing economies of our planet, 6 were African, with some of them facing growth rate around 10% every year since 10 years. So, as you can understand, these facts represent a huge opportunity for data center in Africa. High demand from a fast-growing population and growing economies. Leapfrogging from almost nothing to digital mobile services, a very young population that is born with a mobile and internet at their palm. So, there is an absolute need to develop African data center local infrastructure. First for latency times, that is driving performance, but also for data sovereignty, as many countries are doing law enforcement about data sovereignty. The most common business model you will see in Africa for data center are co-location, software as a service, cloud computing, and IoT service for agribusiness, trade, and industry. Africa counts today around 100 data center operators in 54 countries, operating around 200 data centers. In 2018, a small group of African data center CEOs were meeting with Schneider Electric, and together with Schneider Electric, they witnessed how isolated were these 100 data center operators and created Africa Data Center Association. Today, Africa Data Center Association is chaired by Mrs. Fatoumata Sarr from Orange Sonatel, Senegal, and she is helped by 6 other board members, Mr. Ayotunde Coker from Rack Center in Nigeria, Mr. Amin Kandil for N+1 in Morocco, Mr. Wouter van Hulten for PEX in South Africa and Ghana, Mr. Stéphane Duprose from Africa Data Center in South Africa, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and Kenya, and Mr. Lawrence Kala for Tel1 in Zimbabwe, as well of myself. As you can see, we are representing different dimensions of Africa. English-speaking country, French-speaking country, Lusophone-speaking country, North, West, East and South of Africa, coastal country, and central areas, representing Africa as a whole. So, Africa Data Center Association has been created for the following reason. First, it was to create a body that represents the African data center industry towards different stakeholders. The country government, Africa Union, which needs to build an infrastructure for resilient business continuity and to enable African digital economy. African businesses for reliable data center services and large international players who start to target African booming populations and economies. But it was created also to enable African data center players' teams to exchange on common challenges. Challenges that could be commercial or technical and specific to Africa, such as weaknesses of power, connectivity, and water infrastructure, but also specific climate and specific density of competencies and subcontractors in the 54 countries. So the idea is to work together to define a path towards global standard and find mitigation in order to meet with data center global SLA's expectation in Africa. Finally, Africa Data Center Association has been created to help investors, for them to understand the growth of this market, the profit pattern, as well as how to identify and manage the risk. The ultimate objective of Africa Data Center Association is to create a thriving, world-class African data centers and cloud infrastructure ecosystem that is a catalyst for economic transformation of Africa. So, if you want to know more, you can download a free report called The State of the African Data Center Market 2020. And also, you can become a member in asking for an application form. You can join me. My email is pfc@africadca.org. Thank you for your attention.